Hey everyone, welcome back to HelloVSTV. Today we are checking out iGarden cordless robotic pool cleaner from K Pro series, and this is going to be a really fun one to review. Before we start, let me show you the pool. As you can see, we have got leaves, dust and debris here. So this is a perfect real-world test. This is a fully cordless robotic pool cleaner with smart AI navigation, strong suction performance, and features designed to make pool maintenance basically effortless. Right out of the box, this thing looks modern, almost like a mini tank for your pool. It has a solid build quality and you can immediately notice the rubber tracks, which helps with grip. On the front you get dual brushes and on top there is an easy access filter basket. It's not too heavy considering what it does, and the design actually makes sense, especially when you need to pull it out of the water. And yes, it's fully cordless, which is a big deal. No cables, no setup hassle. You just charge it, drop it in, and you're ready to go. Now let's talk about the performance. The unit is powered by a triple brushless motor system combined with an optimized turbine-grade impeller design, delivering strong and consistent suction performance. And when you need extra power, there is a turbo mode that boosts performance for heavier debris like leaves or dirt after a storm or pool party. One of the most important features here is the AI smart navigation. Instead of moving randomly like cheaper cleaners, it follows an intelligent S-path pattern to cover your pool more efficiently and reduce missed spots. It cleans the floor, the walls, and even the waterline, which is something you don't always get in this category. Battery life is actually one of the standout features. You get up to 10 to 15 hours of runtime depending on the cleaning mode, which is more than enough for large pools and means you won't need to charge it very often. You also get smart control features. There is app control with smart connectivity, plus a built-in touchscreen on the unit itself. So you can set cleaning schedules, choose modes, or just press one button and let it handle everything. There is also auto parking, which is really convenient. When the battery gets low, it automatically moves to the edges of the pool, so you don't have to reach into the middle to grab it. In real-world use, it handles both fine debris and larger leaves very well. It climbs walls reliably and provides consistent overall coverage across the pool. It really turns pool cleaning into a set-it-and-forget-it experience. Now, a few things to keep in mind. Like most robotic cleaners, extremely large debris can still be challenging sometimes. Maintenance is also very simple. You get a 4-filter top-load filter basket that captures both fine particles and larger debris. It's very easy to remove, clean, and put it back. And the best part, you don't need to flip the unit. Everything is accessible right from the top. So overall, the iGarden cordless robotic pool cleaner K Pro series is a very strong option if you are looking for cordless convenience, long battery life, smart navigation, and powerful cleaning performance. It delivers a premium experience without going into the ultra high-end price range. So if you're interested about this product, you can use my code to get 5% off your purchase, which is mentioned in the description below. This is all about this review. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.